Hi, so in this video, we're going to work on outbound no-follow links. So these are links going from our websites to other websites that have the no-follow tag. So one of the important SEO ranking factors is connectivity to the internet. So how a web page connects to the rest of the internet. So just having a website with no links hurts your SEO. Having a website that have links coming into the website help that page's ranking. But what also helps that page's ranking is having that website page, whether it be a blog post or an actual content page, linking out to other relevant websites. And the word relevant is very important here. So I'm going to show you an example. We're just going to go to this post. It's called Are Construction Robots a Game Changer? So we're going to click into it. Okay, and here's the post. Now you see some photos. Now I don't know why the same photo is here twice. That's a mistake, whoever put this page up. Then you're going to see some content, more content, but nowhere is there a link going out from the website. So I'm going to show you how we do that. So the first thing you're going to do is edit post. Okay, and then in our editor, what we're going to do is click text. Now what you're going to see here are, here's the H2 tag. Now what I'm going to do is do a quick test. Is there an H1 on this website? And I just want to make sure that there is. Open link in new tab, view page source. I'm going to go Control F, put in H1. Now these H1s don't count, that's just a piece of random code. I'm going to move, no. Okay, so here's our H1, okay? Our construction robots, a game changer. So yes, this website does have an H1 tag. Now what I just showed you here is important for the actual creating outbound links, because what we're going to do is after we create the links, we're going to check the source code to make sure what we set up actually works. Okay, so I'm going to go back to edit post. Now here we are in the page, and we're going to look for important terms on the page that are going to be used to create links out to other web pages. So we have things like renovation and property improvement. Now this page is about this site is about construction automation software. Okay, so what I'm going to look for is the term automation. Automation. Okay. So what we have here is a link called construction automation. This is perfect, right? Okay, construction automation. There's 11 times the word automation shows up. Construction automation, a link automation, and then down here. Okay, so this is our only construction automation. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this text. Okay, copy it. We're going to come up to Google. We're going to put that term in to Google. Construction automation. Now what Google's going to show, we're going to ignore the ads because they're useless for what we're trying to do here. Google wants to know your location. We're going to turn that off. All right, is looking here, this is what Google thinks is the most relevant page, okay, for the term construction automation. That's important, right? So if we link to this, we're showing how our page is on this exact topic. And also we're creating connections to the rest of the internet. Okay, and then there's this page, this page, this page. Now what we do not want, absolutely do not want, is to link to any of the potential competition in the same region as that website. So you know where this website is supposed to be designed for, what country, what province, what city. All right, and we're going to avoid that. So we're going to kind of go with some neutral links. So one thing I like to do is click news. All right, and what you have here are, according to Google, the most relevant news articles for that search term, construction automation. And so what we have one here is called construction engineer. Open a new tab. Okay. Now if we read, this one is called Bricklaying Robot Gets Approval from NHBC. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this link. And now this link is not construction automation. It says robot, which is interesting because our site is called Our Construction Robots a Game Changer. So I'm going to do this. This is just a coincidence that this happened. I'm going to look for the term robot. All right. And most robots, see robots, few robots, robots, important robots. So I'm looking for something that might say construction robots. This is exactly what that news article is about. So I highlighted construction robots. I'm going to click link. I'm going to put in the URL. The next couple of steps are very important. Open link in a new tab. So when somebody clicks that link, I want them going to a new tab, not leaving our website. Click add link. Okay, so now what we have is that piece of source code right here, that link from the article, and now it has a tag called rel no opener. And we're going to add something to that. Okay, we're going to go space no follow. So I'm going to zoom in, and then you have target equals quote underscore blank quote. This is the code that makes it open in a new website. So I'm just going to make this a bit bigger so you can see. Right here. All right. So for the search term, or for the term construction robots, I added a link. So I highlighted here. Make sure you get the whole word highlighted. I highlighted here. Then clicked link. Then I pasted the link, clicked on open a new tab, which created this piece of code, came to the source code and added no follow. So it looks exactly like this. There's no other way to do it. This is the only way, and it should look exactly like this. Now a different view is if you looked at the visual, you can do it this way, right? But it's still the same. It's just a different view. Highlighted the term. Oops. Highlighted the term, right? Click link. Now the link's already in there. Add the link and you'll get the same box for opening a new tab. Paste in the article from here. So this exact link is here. Then, but still you have to go to the text view, go to rel no opener and put space no follow. And if you do not see after adding the tag rel equals no opener, type it in yourself and it looks exactly like this. Okay? For the purpose of what we're doing, every link in this strategy is going to have this piece of code added after the link with a space. It's going to end with a quote before here. So it'll look exactly like this. And then what you're going to do, okay, I'm going to zoom back out here. Okay, is you're going to see that the link is here. You're going to update. Okay, you're going to right click view post in new tab. We're going to test it. Go down to our link, click the link. Yes, it works. It opens in a new tab. Also, right click, view page source. Okay, and grab that link, copy, go over to your source, Control F, Control V, look for your link in the source code that we created. Make sure it has rel no opener no follow. There's our text. We've just proved that we've done it perfectly. It's in the actual code. It works on the click test. We can see it. You're done. That's it. We're done. All right. So what we're going to do, close that off, is for every single article created on all of our websites that you have access to, every article, every post, I want 1 or 2 relevant outbound links that have no follow Open into a new tab, all right, and follow exactly the code that you saw, okay? Exactly that code. Okay, so just looking again, every link we're creating has the target blank, rel no opener, no follow, okay? Every single one in this strategy is doing this, all right? So what can we use for a potential second one? So the website is about construction automation software. We put one in about construction robots. Does the term software show up on this site? Or, well, we did find the construction automation, okay? Now let's just see if software is on this site anywhere. Okay, so we have software, software, software. So the person that wrote this article didn't quite get what we're trying to do with this website. Nowhere in the article does the term construction software appear. All right, so we have robots, that's okay. Construction automation, that's good. They totally forgot this website is about construction automation software. So, it's just obvious that this site needs the term construction automation software. So I'm going to try to find a place to put it in. So let's go back to software. And this is kind of a quality control as well. This has to happen. Articles need to be written on the topic of the website or they're not useless. It's kind of a waste of our time and money. A lack of good construction automation software. Now, one thing we're going to have to be aware of too is this website is if there's multiple occurrences of construction automation software, don't use the same link on different pages going out to the same website. That doesn't help very much either. So think of synonyms or other ways. You can still have construction software or automation software, things like that. Just keep in mind that we need diversity, so things that are different, but they still have to be on topic. Okay, so I'm going to right click construction automation software, copy. I'm going to go back to Google, in the news, construction automation software, put that in. So the first one comes up is building automation software market outlook. Okay, we're going to open that, just have a quick look at it. Yahoo Finance, that could be a good one. Construction Global, Construction Journal. Now I'm going to put in the term here, Canada, to try to make it even more relevant, because that's what we're trying to accomplish in this website. Okay, this was 2 weeks ago. Journal of Commerce, article talking about Canada. All right. All right, so I'm going to take this one and add the link. Come back here. So I'm doing it from this view. Before I did it from the text view, so I'm going to just do it from this view. Click the link, add the URL. In this view, you have to click link options, open link in new tab, click update. Now go click text. Here's our link with the target blank, rel equals no opener, inside still the quote with a space, no follow. Okay. Update. Okay. Construction automation software. I'm going to do that for our test. So first I'm going to do view post, view a new tab. Oh, there we go. Construction automation software. Click the link. Yep, takes me out to that article. Back into here, right click, view page source. Control F, Control V, construction automation software. Looking for the link we created. Here we are. Oh no, that's not it. Here we are. There it is. So the construction automation software.com category. So that news article. that's us. Forget that. This is how it can be a little bit tricky to find, especially if it's a common search term. Oh, here it is here. U.S. Canada construction industries, target blank, no opener, no follow. We're good. Okay, so we added 2 links. We did a little edit on the website to make the link more relevant. And this actually helps the website a lot because now we put in construction automation software, which is what the website's about in this article. And we're done for this page, right? So now we have to go to our blog and we have to do 2 for this blog article, 1 or 2 for this blog article. We do those, then we move on to the next site. All right, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Do this for every website. Okay, have a great day.